Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Check out this 21-piece camping utensils set designed for effortless cooking on the go. This lightweight and compact kit includes heat-resistant knives, a cutting board, and barbecue tools, all dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or enjoying a family camping trip, these durable utensils make meal prep simple and fun. The set also features a travel spice kit to add flavor to your meals anywhere you roam. Perfect for upgrading your campsite, it combines practicality with convenience and style. Fire-resistant materials ensure safety while cooking over open flames. Enjoy luxury meets nature with this all-in-one camping kitchen essential. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.